This is one of our 489 Big Block Chevrolet engines, 550 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque. Comes with a Big Block Chevrolet GM block, cast steel crankshaft, forged I-beam rods, and custom J&E pistons. A performance roller timing set. Has a comp cams, hydraulic roller camshaft, roller lifters. The timing cover is a nice polished aluminum cover from FtLbs with a Professional Products balancer on the front. A nice billet timing pointer. A 7-quart Milodon oil pan. Cylinder heads are oval port aluminum FtLbs cylinder heads with a 290cc intake runner. Compression rolls out right around 10:1, pump gas friendly. The intake manifold is also FtLbs, the RPM air gap manifold. Valve covers are a polished cast aluminum cover. Underneath is a set of Scorpion roller rocker arms. On top we have a quick fuel SS 750 carburetor. Also comes with the MSD distributor and a set of ignition wires, color of your choice. Also includes the MSD 6AL ignition box and coil. As it's listed, it does not come with any pulleys on the front, but there's always the option to add any accessories and pulley kits that you would want that'll fit your application. All of our engines are machined in-house, assembled here, and dyno tested. If you would like a custom quote, you can give us a call at 704-782-7170 or visit our website at prestigemoto.com.